Jai Hind cadets, let us see 2 marks questions from straight lines. Did you remember the distance between any 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is under square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And let us see the slope of a line. This is a coordinate system we have. We divide the coordinate system into 4 quadrants by using x axis and y axis, and this is positive x axis and this is OX dash is negative x axis, OY is positive y axis and OY dash is negative y axis. Now, how do you find the slope? Suppose there is a line like this, and what is the slope of this line in this coordinate system? It may be in the form of this one, this line may be like this or anywhere you may have this line, right. So, what is the, definitely it has some slope, right. How do you find that slope? See, we will consider positive x axis. If you observe this line, this is how much inclined with the positive x axis will be taken as theta. This angle we consider as theta. This theta may be vary with the steep of this line, right. If you have a less steep, then the angle is, the inclination of this line with the positive x axis is little bit, right. If you increase this one, the inclination will increase, right, that is taken as theta, and the slope of, depending on that inclination of the line with the positive x axis, we will consider the slope, and the slope is given by tan theta. The slope we denote with m, and that is given by tan theta. Suppose it is 45 degrees, here you have 45 degrees with respect to positive x axis, and then what is the slope of this line? Tan 45 degrees, right. What is tan 45 value? 1. The slope of this line is 1. Suppose let us consider a horizontal line. This horizontal line is intersecting with positive x axis, then what will be the angle here? 0, right. The angle is 0, tan 0 value is 0, so the slope is also 0. Suppose you consider a vertical line. This is a vertical line. Vertical line makes 90 degrees angle with our positive x axis, right. What is tan 90? Undefined, right. So, the slope of vertical lines is undefined. Suppose, okay, the slope is given by tan theta, m is equal to tan theta. If you know angle, you can directly find the, if you know the inclination of the line, that is nothing but angle theta, you can find slope directly. But if you are given two coordinates, suppose there is a line with which passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, or a line joining 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, then what is the slope of this line? That is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You may taken as y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2 also. This is the formula to find slope using the coordinates, right. And here we can say the vertical lines slope, the slope of vertical lines are 0, and the slope of horizontal lines is the slope of vertical lines is undefined, and the slope of horizontal line is 0. Let us see some problems. Find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through 2, 5 and x, 3 is 2. Here what is given? Two coordinates are given and m value is also given. Then what we have to find? We have to find a x value. Simply you substitute in the formula. The slope of the line joining 2 points is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. M is also known, so that implies 2 is equal to, this is x1 y1 and x2 y2, 3 minus 5 by x minus 2. That implies 2 into x minus 2 is equal to minus 2. 2 gets cancelled. Here x minus 2 is equal to minus 1. That implies x is equal to minus 1 plus 2, that value is 1. Therefore, x value is 1. In this way you can find. See the next question. Find the value of y if the line joining 3 comma y and 2 comma 7 is parallel to the line joining these 2 points. That means what? The line joining these 2 points 3 comma y and 2 comma 7 is parallel to the point, parallel to the line 0 comma 6. So, we have to find the value. Let us find the slope of the first line, that is given by y2 minus y1 7 minus y by 2 minus 3, that is equal to 7 minus y by minus 1, that is nothing but y minus 7, and we will find m2. I am considering the another line's slope as m2, and here 6 minus 4 by 0 minus of minus plus 1, which is equal to 2 by 1, that is 2. Once you observe, these two are parallel lines. Remember, the parallel lines slope is always equal. M1 is equal to M2. The parallel lines, if they are, if we are given with the two parallel lines, their slope is same. So, from this what you can write, y minus 7 is equal to 2, that implies y is equal to 9. Hence, the y value is 9. Find the value of k if the straight lines 6x minus 10y plus 3 is equal to 0 and kx minus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0 are parallel. Two equations are given. These two are what? What is the general form of a straight line equation? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The slope of this line is given by minus a by b. The form of the equation straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and the slope is given by minus a by b. So, what is the slope of this line? This is a minus a. What is a? Minus of 6 by b. B value is minus 10. So, what do you have here? 2 3's and 2 5's. 3 by 5 we have. And slope of the another line is also minus a by b. What is a value here? Minus k by b value is minus 5. So, k by 5. These two are parallel lines. So, slope is same. Therefore, k by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Denominator part is same. That implies k value is 3. See the next question. Find the value of p if the straight lines, two straight lines are given, here mutually perpendicular. Okay. These are what? Perpendicular lines. So, if parallel, the slopes are same. If perpendicular, the condition is m1 into m2, the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. If they are if the two lines are perpendicular, the product of the slopes is equal to what? Minus 1. So, by using minus a by b, we can find the slope of a line, right? If the line is given minus a by b, if 2 points are given, slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If angle is given, the slope is m is equal to tan theta, right? Here m1 value is minus 3 by 7, m2 is 7 by p, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, we have the condition. So, if you substitute, you will get the answer. See, find the equation of the straight line passing through a point is given. Only one point we have here. What we have to find? We have to find a straight line equation passing through this point and parallel to the straight line passing through these 2 points and perpendicular to these 2 points, right. So, let us see slope of the line joining, first let us find the slope of the line joining these 2 points, that is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is 11 by 2. So, what we have to find out? If you know a point and slope, then the straight line equation is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. If you know one point and if you know the slope, then you can find the line's equation. Here we are given with one point and we need to know the slope of this line. The slope of this line is 11 by 2 and the equation what we have to find? We have to find the equation of the line parallel to our BC and line passing through this point, this is 11 by 2, we have to find out, that is y minus 3 is equal to 11 by 2 into x plus 1. We are substituting in this formula. Here we are finding the equation of the line parallel to BC. Parallel to BC means what? This line's slope is equal to the BC line's slope. So therefore here the slope is 11 by 2 we considered. Here we have to find the perpendicular equation of the line perpendicular to BC. What is the slope of the line perpendicular to BC? Actually m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 whenever it is perpendicular. Here this slope is 11 by 2 into m2 is equal to minus 1, that implies m2 is equal to minus 2 by 11. So the line, the slope of a line which is perpendicular to this one is minus 2 by 11. Here you know the point and slope and substitute point and slope, you substitute in this formula, you will get the answer.